Welcome to this video. A quick shout out to my subscribers. We made 1,000. If you're here for the first time, feel free to do the same. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. We are going to construct a hyperbola given the ratio of eccentricity and distance between the directrix and focus. We start by constructing a horizontal line, and this line we have constructed acts as our axis. Mark off a random point along this horizontal line and draw a line perpendicular at this point. This becomes our directrix point D. We are then going to mark off the focal point using the distance given to us, and in this case the distance is 45 millimeters. We now are supposed to determine the vertex, and we do this with the help of the ratio of eccentricity. We divide the line DF in the ratio 3:2. Remember, as we determine this point, we start counting from the focus, moving towards the directrix. At a convenient distance below the axis line, draw a line that is parallel to it. Where this line cuts our directrix line, mark off the point V. From the point V you have marked, you are going to measure VD along the horizontal line and measure VF along the vertical line. Project perpendicular lines from the 2 points you have marked. You then draw a line going through the meeting points of F and D. Mark off points along the axis line, starting from a point after the vertex, which is point V. These points can have equal distances apart, or they may not. We are now going to draw lines at the points we marked off. These lines are going to be parallel to the directrix. They are drawn above and below the axis line. When we draw them, just make sure that they touch our line that we drew below, because we need to be using those different heights from that line. We are now going to determine the points on the curve. This is done by measuring the height from our horizontal parallel line that we drew below to the cross-cutting line that we drew along each of those lines. When you measure that height, you transfer it to the focal point, and along the very line you have measured, you are going to draw an arc up and down. Join those points to get you the hyperbola. Thank you for watching.